Hi everyone. Today let us see about how to turn on low power mode in iPhone. Let me go to Keynote. So I have a presentation prepared in the slide. Let me play with that. How to turn on low battery mode in iPhone. Tap settings, tap battery, tap low power mode. Let me execute this thing. Settings, battery, low power mode. Now you can see that low power mode is on. This will be very useful when you are run out of battery. Then there is another way to set the low power mode. Let me turn off the low power mode and go back to the keynote. Okay, how to turn on low power mode from control center. This is another way. Tap settings, tap control center, tap customize controls, add low power mode, come out of settings and go to control center. Once you did this, then low power mode will be always available in the control center, and then you can easily turn on low power mode anytime. Let me go to the settings, control center, customize control. We see that low power mode, add low power mode. Then once added, it will be here. It is here. Now let's go to control center. Go to control center. You can see the low power mode button here, and you can turn on. And anytime in the future, if you go to control center, then you can turn on the low power mode. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and tap on bell notification. You will get the new videos whenever we upload. Share with your friends. Thank you.